Okay, for this next outfit I have got on this chunky roll neck jumper dress from H&M, and I just love the way a jumper dress feels in winter. So cosy and warm but super comfortable at the same time. I have just cinched this in with this belt from Amazon Fashion, which is the best dupe for the Isabel Marant belts. It's just such a great little belt. I've also got it in tan as well. So I did just cinch it in, but it also looks lovely just left loose as well. And the good thing about jumper dresses is that you can layer underneath them as well. So, I mean, you don't really need to with this one because it is so chunky, but if it was really cold, you can maybe put thermals underneath this, especially because it's long. So you could wear like maybe even leggings and a thermal top underneath for a little bit more warmth. So I just went with a black blazer over the top, just a regular black blazer. This is from Everlane, because I thought it kept the outfit a little bit more smart. But this would also work really well for a long black coat or any kind of long coat over the top as well. And then my boots are from Reiss. I got these last year, but they do have a very similar style available this year. Same shape with a little gold buckle on them. Bag is from Aspinall of London, and I love a bag with a top handle. I like to be able to have the option to either hold it or have it crossbody or on my shoulder. And then I've kept my jewellery the same this time. I haven't changed up my earrings, but I did just want to quickly mention my bracelets because all these outfits are so wintry that you can't see my wrists in any of them. But on my right hand, I have got a trio of gold, 14 karat gold bracelets from Maduri, chunky chain, and then this one which matches the necklace I've got, and a little, I think this is called the curb chain bracelet. And then on my left hand, I have got 3 bangles, and I wear these together quite a lot. So there's the chunky gold vermeil bangle. This one is also gold vermeil as well, the croissant bangle, and then this thin 14 karat gold bangle as well. Okay, this is the next outfit, and I love this look. I love the way a white shirt looks styled underneath a chunky knit in winter. Jumper is from Everlane. It's an alpaca and wool blend, super soft, nice and oversized as well. The shirt underneath is actually a linen shirt from Everlane. I did want to start with a cotton shirt because I think it works slightly better. But I didn't have one that was the right length, but I feel like this is just a little bit longer at the back, so it works really well styled underneath the jumper. And I just love how they look. I just think you don't often think of putting a shirt underneath a jumper, but any jumper with a white shirt underneath can look really cool, especially styled with leather look leggings. These are the same ones I had on before from ASOS. And then on my feet, I have got on my Vejas, which I love all year round. Again, maybe a little bit chilly for Vejas as we get into the really cold months, but you could also style this outfit with boots as well. But it wouldn't look quite, I feel like it looks a little bit more kind of chilled and cool with trainers rather than with boots. It would give it a slightly more sophisticated look. And then I have got on my black Chloe bag, and I also styled it with the same black wool under the Stories blazer, just for a little bit more warmth. I thought it worked quite well with a nice kind of chunky, warm blazer. But I also think you could style this with just a regular blazer over the top. It would look great with a long coat. And then I have just popped on a couple of chunky gold rings as well from Maduri. So first of all, this chunky ribbed one. This is gold vermeil. I think it's called the Charlotte ring, which, I mean, I'd love to say it was named after me, but it definitely wasn't. But I've got this chunky Charlotte ring on, this little gold signet ring as well, and then this chunky 14 karat gold honey quartz ring that is just beautiful. And I feel like this outfit is really easy to recreate with any white shirt, any oversized jumper, and any kind of leather look leggings, or even skinny